We have been here 2 hours. We're at James Hardy in Peru, Illinois. I got here just a hair before 5, like 4:45. It is 7:15 now, so I think that's 2.5 hours. But anyway, loading up with some lumber, got to tarp it and take it back to Denver. Had to get the AC compressor replaced, as y'all saw. That sucked. It was $1,800. I gotta look at that bill. Alright, so it was $18.58 at the Speedco, which is like Love's. 142 to evac and recharge, normal. 190 for 4 pounds of Freon. They charge by the ounce. It was 64 ounces, so that's 4 pounds. 650 for the compressor itself. Here's where it's a little ridiculous. 231 for labor on replacing that. I'm gonna put a hat on because my hair is just a mess. 231 to replace the compressor. That's like 30 minutes of work, if that. It's like 4 bolts, 2 lines. 85 to replace the receiver dryer, and 158 to replace that. Honestly, to replace all 3 of those at like an hourly rate, that should be like $150, because it does not take more than an hour to replace that shit. But I think they get you with like a, you know, this job costs this much, so that's some bullshit, but it is what it is. We got our AC back. The AC dryer was $99. The expansion valve must be $130. Few O-rings. So labor was $620. Parts were $1,088. And tax was $120 with $30 in fees. So $18.58. That's the cost of being cool. Literally. Because it was for the AC. I could have stuck it out. Denver.
Where?
Denver, ABC Supply.
What?
Denver for ABC Supply.
Yep. Follow me.
Cool. That's the cost of being cool. Literally. Because it's for the AC, and now we're going to get loaded at least. Same day. Alright, here's that load. So just strap and go. I do have to tarp it. I don't know why I always say strap and go. It is over 10 feet, so you need 3 straps because of the length. 3 straps definitely gets you covered on the weight. So 1, 2 within the first 10 feet, and third, because this is like, I don't know, 13 feet long. So anyway, 1 bundle, so there's 4 there, 4 there, 3 there. So 3 straps, 3 straps, 3 straps, 11 pallets total. I know it's hard to tell because, so anyway, where my finger is, everything behind it is 1 up top, 1 down below, and then they're side by side. So anyway, you get it. Time to strap it and then go. So, I mean, not strap it, tarp it and go. There's our tarp job.
So I loaded up at James Hardy Lumber there in Peru, Illinois, and I ran that out to Denver. After I dropped that off, I headed back into Kansas to pick up some stuff you're going to see next. But on my way to Denver, I stopped here and checked out this art sculpture. It's part of the Nebraskan Gateway, one of 10 sculptures. It's just some cut up rock, and it's at a gorgeous rest area though. But ladies and gentlemen, art.
Alright, there's a couple things I don't do, and that's gatekeep and some other things that I don't do. So I polished some things out. I polished the bumper and the rims out last night. We got a truck wash in Salina, Kansas. Then we picked up in Abilene some Land Pride equipment. So we got some bush hogs up front, whole bunch of different implements all throughout here. I think even one of those right there, it's probably hard to see with the glare. That's a snow, come on. Get rid of that sun glare. That's a snow blower with the twirly thing that looks like a pig's tail. But pretty much same shit, different load, different day. Some buckets back here. First time hauling these buckets. We got a 5-pack of these little mini bush hogs. But yeah, polished out the rims. I don't know if someone stole 2 of my lug nut caps or if they fell off, but those have been gone for a couple days. But yeah, polished up the rims and then buttered the tires, buttered the mud flaps as well. Bestie, please let me merge. So yeah, pretty much chain over the gear drive like normal. Some straps going up and over, kind of cross strap. Sorry about that sun glare. Buckets, I just threw straps over these, and even with the angle of the bucket you see there, have them pulling back against it, and these haven't moved an inch. These are all like forklift front end forks, so just straps up and over, go over the firm part. Same with that. But a few of these crates, they're mix match sizes, so while it may go over the strong corners, some of them don't on like that pallet, but they do on the other side. So yeah, you see that, like same with right here, these two coming straight up. God, that sun glare is terrible. Whereas the pallet behind it, that's a huge crate, it doesn't catch the corners, so you just gotta be careful on that. This, I took the straps right over the implements, 1 strap over the crate, and then some more strap over the implements, 2 straps over this bush hog, and chain over the gear drive. Same with on the other side. So that's the load. We're taking this out to Salem, New York. We've got 5 stops along the way to get to Salem. Actually, Salem will make our 5th stop, but that's the load. Looking halfway decent and clean rolling into the weekend, I think. Like I said, I don't gatekeep, and I am telling you, these quick trips, they've got the freaking bee's knees as far as lunch goes. Nice old Century unit. Let's go get some bacon chicken ranch wrap. All right, we got a flatbread for right now, chicken bacon ranch, with a whole bunch of stuff added to it, like pepperoni and spinach. We got a caramel apple milkshake, because we deserve it after freaking dealing with this heat and strapping down and securing everything in like, I don't know, 90-degree weather in Kansas. It takes so long securing at that place because they don't let you climb on the trailer. And it sucks because there's 3 different locations for Land Pride, and Abilene is the only one that doesn't let you climb on the trailer. They make you use a ladder and a little stick, but when they're not looking, I climb on the trailer. We got a wrap for lunch tomorrow.
Had a buddy catch up with me in Effingham, Illinois, and got this little roller of me. Thanks, D.
All right, we're here in Gary, Indiana. There's a look at the load in the daytime. And this cute one. Polish turned out pretty decent. Hand polish with the little drill bit buffer wheel.
So on that route to all my stops in New York, I have a friend who lives in Buffalo. Got to meet up with her, meet her cousin, and go out on the boat with her friends into pretty much like Lake Erie, which was badass. Nice change up from trucking. Come on.
So we're here up in Waterloo, New York, upstate New York at this Petro. This is a really nice Petro, really big. Just walking the dog. But it is humid as all get out. It's like muggy. It's about 88 degrees. But it is Sunday. We start bumping off those implements tomorrow. And hopefully we got all 5 of those stops knocked out. And hopefully it's not as hot, but I think the weather is looking like it's going to be hot tomorrow.
So we did, in fact, get to bump off all 5 of those stops the next day throughout New York, upstate New York, finishing off in Salem, which was really awesome. Thanks again for joining me on another vlog, and stay loaded.
This wasn't the soda I wanted, but it was the one I got.